song titled Tractor Time. Big wheels on the farm, aimed at being catchy, upbeat, and great for kids or animated scenes. Here's a sample of how the lyrics might go, followed by ideas for verses and structure. It's tractor time, big wheels on the farm, rolling through the fields with a country charm. Engines roaring, clouds of dust, working together is a must. The rooster crows, the sun peeks out, put on my boots and give a shout. Hop in the cab, it's time to ride, my big green tractor's by my side. Piggies squeal, the chickens flap, the cows all give a gentle